Close your eyes. Imagine this. You have a gift, a skill that could change everything. But right now, it's buried. Buried under what ifs, under fear, under the voice saying, "You're not ready." What if I told you that doubt is not your enemy? That the storm inside you is the exact sign you're ready to awaken your potential? Let me prove it with a story. In a small village nestled between two mountains, there lived a bridge builder named Elias. He was known for his skill and precision. His bridges could withstand any storm. But one year, after a brutal winter destroyed one of his oldest constructions, doubt crept into his mind. What if my hands aren't as steady as they used to be? He wondered, what if my next bridge fails too? Fear paralyzed him. The villagers needed a new crossing after the floods, but Elias hesitated. He spent days staring at blueprints, second-guessing every measurement. His tools gathered dust. One evening, an old woman from the village approached him. She carried a lantern, its flame flickering in the wind. "Elias," she said, "the river is rising. Without your bridge, we are cut off from medicine, from food. You are the only one who can do this." Elias looked at his trembling hands. "And what if I fail again?" The old woman placed the lantern beside him. "Then you will rebuild. But if you never try, the village will starve." Her words struck him. That night, under the glow of the lantern, Elias picked up his tools. His hands shook at first, but with each nail he hammered, each beam he secured, his confidence grew. The storm raged around him, but he worked through the wind and rain. Days later, the bridge stood stronger than ever, its foundations deep, its arches defiant against the sky. The villagers cheered as they crossed safely for the first time in months. Elias stood back, watching. The old woman returned, handing him the lantern. "You see?" she said. "The storm didn't break you. It reminded you of your strength." Elias smiled. The doubt hadn't vanished, but now he knew potential isn't about never failing. It's about rebuilding when you do. Here's the truth most channels won't tell you. Potential isn't a light switch. It's a flame. And doubt? That's just the wind testing how badly you want to burn.